This is my picnic chicken. I've been cooking this for a long time. I've got a sugar-free sauce in there and a really good killer rub. It takes 1 hour to make. Picnic chicken. First step is to start your grill, smoker, or oven to 350 degrees. You can actually do it in an air fryer too if you wanted. You just have to watch your times a little bit. I'd probably take it down to 300 degrees if you're doing an air fryer picnic chicken, but I'm set up at 350 degrees. I've got a little bit of smoke on today. For smoke, I'm using a little bit of Jack Daniels. You can use wood pellet, or you can go into old school apple wood, which would be really nice. I'm gonna make up this rub, and I've already made the sauce. This is the sugar-free barbecue sauce. It's really tangy. This is what makes it. So for the rub, the recipe for this is below in the comments. This is paprika, fresh ground pepper, some chili powder, celery salt, chili flakes, tablespoons of erythritol, or you can go with the brown swerve if you want, but just adds a little bit of sweetness to it. This is garlic powder, onion powder, and these little flakes here are little garlic flakes. It's a dehydrated minced garlic. And this is dehydrated onion. It just gives a nice little crunch. And this is seasoning salt. Seasoning salts, anything but Lowry's. Lowry's is way too salty. Okay, I'm just going to mix this up. This will make a little over a cup. This is good on ribs and pork butts. I would do something a little bit different for a brisket though. This is a two-part process. First of all, we're going to smoke it or grill it and just kind of set it. It's going to take about 30 minutes. And then we're going to wrap it with the sauce in tin foil, and it's going to wallow in that for about 20 minutes on the grill, and then we'll let it rest for 10 and eat it. If you struggle with your chicken, this might be the recipe for you. It's very easy to make and it's delicious. It's foolproof. So what I'm going to do is sprinkle this on both sides, just like that. Shake off the excess. And I'm cooking indirect, so I've got heat here, and nothing in the center. I'm going to put it on the top rack. These are whole legs. Legs are the best for this. You can do thighs too, but what I really like about this recipe is you can make this and take it to the wrap stage, then take it to a party, and guaranteed it's a hit. So I'll throw this one on and beside. There you go. I've got all 5 on. I'll just clean up. I'm going to let that go for 30 minutes, and then we're going to go into the wrap stage. Okay, for the rest of the rub, I just put it into a mason jar like this, and it's nice and dry. That'll give me another couple of goes of picnic chicken, or ribs, or butts, or whatever you want. Now, I've got a piece of foil for every chicken leg that I'm cooking. Let's put this back on top. What I'm going to do is take the chicken legs off and wrap them. This went for 30 minutes. So I'll put bone side up. I'll put some of my sugar-free sauce on. Just on this side. Pan it like that. Turn it over. More sauce. Brush it on. See, this is nicely cooked. So at this stage, I'm gonna wrap this up. Skin side down. Seal it up nicely across the top, up the side. And we'll do that to all of them. Skin side down. Last one on. I've got some zucchini that I skewered. I put some oil on it and some salt and some pepper. That takes about 20 minutes. That's how long this is going to take. So we're going to let these picnic chicken foil bundles go for 20 minutes to just wallow right in that beautiful sauce. See you in 20 minutes. Okay, so the wrap stage went for exactly 20 minutes. 350 degrees. Let's see what this looks like. This foil, right in the foil pouch. You can see the juices in there. Just fall apart. Look at that. Good. That's going to rest for a couple more minutes, and I'm going to suggest serving some Cauli Mac Cheese would go really well with this. There are the zucchinis. That's nice chicken. You have to try this. And what you can do is take it to the wrap stage and then take it to a potluck and then just heat it on somebody's barbecue or grill or in the oven. There you go. That's my picnic chicken with my sugar-free sauce. Thanks for watching.